Welcome Sagittarius, this is Priyam from Guidance. So, your weekly card reading from 18 till 24th of July 2016. I'm a little late, I'm really sorry for that. First of all, thank you so very much for showering me all your blessings through lovely comments. Thank you to all my subscribers, my viewers, many thanks. And one more thing I would like to add, guys, as it's general weekly card reading, so things may not resonate with everybody. Please don't be upset for that. I do personal readings too. You can mail me, and usually, I charge. Obviously I charge. I do that professionally, and I do make energy exchange, but this time I am offering pay as you wish. So you can mail me at tarotguidanceadvice@gmail.com anytime, right? So let's move ahead with our reading. It's your Monday, Tuesday card, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday card, angel advice card, and your challenge card. Okay, let's see. Okay, if there is something that you don't want to accept, you need to understand that you know the truth within, that this will not work out, like this is it, but you need to accept that. It is very important. If there is any kind of health issue, I see maximum people here, Saji, are going through some kind of health issue and they are not accepting, or maybe they are not going and doing any kind of checkup. Please go and see a doctor and drink lot of water. And moreover, one more thing that I should add, that please accept, open your eyes, and please get up and move on, guys. There are a lot of things, a lot of beautiful things in life. Okay, so let's move ahead and see the other one. As you have come a long way, it is high time to put the one back, which means like you should move ahead, you should not look back, right? So please put that one back and move ahead. Be strong from inside and just move ahead. You have already come out of a situation, you are far from a situation, or you are far from something sorrow, something some kind of loss, or some kind of bad phase or event, or anything that has hurt you, or something not good. So you have already come out of that phase. Now it is your duty to put a boundary line, to set a boundary line and help yourself to move ahead in life. Okay, now let's see your weekend card. Justice will be done with you, and justice will be done to people who are looking for fair result. That will happen. And people who are not fair to others, please be fair. This is a high time, like don't be unfair to anyone. And those who have went through this phase, stay positive. Okay, justice will be done. And at this point, please balance, especially for those who were very unfair to others, right? And let's see what the angels are advising you, Saji. Angels are advising you, take the initiative, and be more self-aware, aware of your own self. Give importance to yourself, be more independent, and take the initiative and take the responsibility to cut the cords of negative energies and move ahead in life. Please cut the cords from those who no longer serves you in your life, right? And your challenge position says you will have to put lot of effort, you will have to work on. Don't quit, right? You will have to fight for your right. Okay, so please remember this. Angels are asking you to take the initiative, to stand for yourself, to cut the cords. This sword is very powerful one. So cut all the cords from all the people who no longer serves you in your life. And it is in your challenge part. So your challenge is to fight. Keep fighting for your right. Right, Saji? So cards are telling you, please accept the truth and move on, guys. And don't keep looking back. You have come out of it. No matter what painful thing happened with you, difficult phase that has passed now. So you need to see the light. You need to look ahead, not back. Okay, and justice will be done. Stay positive, and others, please be fair to your friends and family, right? And this one, angels are asking you to take the initiative and set a boundary line and cut all the cords from people who no longer serves you, has given you a lot of bad experiences in life. You are very strong. Have that courage to fight for your self, like for your belief. Okay, and you can do this. Keep fighting for it, and please stay positive, right? So hope it helps. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I will be back with your next weekly card reading soon. So till then, please take care. Lots of divine love and blessings to you guys. Bye bye.